Hello crafty friends. If you've watched most of my videos, you'll know that a lot of my crafty supplies are from TEMU. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what you can get for approximately $50. Please take note that this is New Zealand dollars and prices can fluctuate on a daily basis. If you stick around to the end, I will share a valuable tip that you may or may not know about TEMU, and this will save you more money. All the items in today's video will have a photo on the screen as well as a link in the description below. Let's see what's inside. So first up we have this cloud embossing folder. This embossing folder was $4.25. I do think this will look really nice colored in a blue shade of ink or distress oxide with a colorful rainbow or unicorn on the front. Next up we have this large set of hard dies. This set was $7.14. To be honest, they are much larger than I thought they were going to be, but I love the different pattern on each heart and I can't wait to use this in my next project. Next we have this heart embossing folder. This folder cost $4.60. Perfect item for a Valentine's Day project. And I think the hard dies I showed previously will work well with this embossing folder. Next up we have this background flower stamp. This can be used in various ways. The stamp costs $3.88 and I think the stamp is really beautiful and I can't wait to use it on a card panel. Then we have this large, very subtle pattern embossing folder. This folder cost $8.05. Again, much larger than I thought it was going to be, but I love the simplicity of the pattern and I can't wait to use it. Next up we have this Grunge flower stamp. This stamp cost $4.71. This stamp can be used over a light colored pattern paper, over a light colored background, or just on its own on plain white cardstock. Next up we have this cute little bee die. The die cost $1.94. I think a few of these will look great on a beehive embossed pattern. Then we have this bubble pattern embossing folder. This folder costs $3.73. I love that the bubbles are uneven, almost like they have popped. I can't wait to see the results of this folder. Last but not least, I have this sentiment set. Together they cost $9.92. I've mentioned in previous videos that I don't enjoy fussy cutting, so when buying stamps, I prefer to get the matching die cuts if possible. Let me know in the comments below where are you watching from and if there were a particular item you liked the most. And there we have it, a total of $47.20. Now for the tip on how to save more money on TEMU. Once you've placed your order, you have up to 30 days to claim a price adjustment. What this means is that if any of the items reduce in price in the 30 days after your order, you can claim the price difference. And TEMU will instantly credit your account with the price difference. You can check this multiple times a day, up to 30 days after you've placed your order. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching and remember to subscribe and ring the notification bell if you want to get notified when I load new content. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.